Hey everybody, giving you an up-close look and demo of this handheld steam cleaner. And what I love about this item is that it has so many uses. You can use this to detail your car, you can clean carpet and rugs, you can clean stone with it, you can iron clothes, and it works really, really well. So when you unbox this, you are going to get a lot of different items inside for various purposes. So I'll just list a few of them. You're going to get the steam cleaner, a power cord, a hose, a set of spacers, a thermal fuse. You're going to get the extension pole, which is one of the first things that you're going to connect when you assemble this. And by the way, the assembly is really easy. You're going to get two wire brushes, two small round heads, an air pump nozzle, a high pressure nozzle. You're going to get a funnel, which is going to help you control the amount of water that you put in there because you do not want to overfill this. You want to make sure you pay attention to the safety instructions. You're going to get a graduated cup, a towel cover, which is going to go on the very end of one particular extension for when you are cleaning a particular item. You're going to get a 360-degree rotating brush, a floor brush connector, glass scraper, and the list goes on and on. You're also going to get a storage bag as well. So the various brushes have different purposes. For example, the steel brush is for a metal surface and heavy oil type of cleanup. So think of stovetops, things that you really need to be aggressive with to get stains out and anything else. Also, the nylon brush is for more of a delicate surface and ordinary dirt that can definitely be used to help clean the inside of a car. The 360-degree rotating brush is for wide surface items. And let's go over some of the features that I think stand out with this. One of them is that it has an adjustable steam volume. So you can control the amount of steam that's going to come out of this. This also has a steam trigger lock latch, which is located under the handle, and it provides continuous steam when it's locked. When you unlock it and use the trigger, that is what is going to release the steam as you clean. And in my demonstration, I cleaned a rug, I cleaned carpet, and I actually also used this to clean a kitchen countertop. And I was really impressed with the amount of steam coming out and how hot it was. As you know, the hotter the steam, and when you combine it with the water, it's going to be more effective in the cleaning process. So I definitely noticed the after effect of the kitchen counter looking way more polished and clean than it was before. And with the carpet and the rugs, I noticed a big difference as well. Everything looked better. The device performed perfectly. And I'm looking forward to cleaning all sorts of things in my house and my car using this device. I also like that it has a high temperature water pipe that the water funnels through. And on the actual device itself, it has wheels which allow you to wheel it through the house, and it makes it convenient to wherever you need to do your steam cleaning. So for me, this is my first steam cleaner that I've ever had, and I think it's just going to enhance the cleaning at home, and it's going to give me so many different options to clean different things that I couldn't do before. And one of the features that I'm really looking forward to is cleaning the clothing and steam cleaning that just to iron out wrinkles. And that's something that I've been using an ironing board for, or the dryer, but this is going to be way more effective. So that is your up close look at this handheld steam cleaner, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.